So this is my best friend. I just wanted to show him off because he's really cool, really awesome. He makes my life better, and I love him a lot.
No, it's bath time. Please let me out of here. Please. I don't want that ball. I still don't want it. I'm out of here. Well, I'm back. Oh, that feels nice. Finally out of there. Back in my cozy room. Catch me never.
Get a pup, they say. Get a fucking pup, they say, for emotional support. This dog ain't did nothing but stress me the fuck out since she done came here. You are stressful. You don't relieve stress. And stop.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who sits on the 50th try.
Spin.